Y'all come with me to my rich auntie house for family day. When you first walk in, auntie has this huge foyer. She got big mirrors on the wall. It's set up like a seating area. It's so dope. Off to the side is auntie's luxurious office with gold and royal blue velvet furniture. It just screams high class. Down the hall is this beautiful half bath that she got decorated in golds and blues also. Our little cousin in there taking selfies. Hey girl. This is the utility closet where auntie keeps all her household cleaning items. But y'all, auntie drives a 2024 Mercedes-Benz G-Class that she parks right here in this huge 2-car garage. Y'all, it smells good in here. Let me go see what they cooking. This is the main living area that opens up to this beautiful kitchen where Big Mama got them ribs smelling amazing. In the dining room, our uncles are setting up the spades game while the rest of the family watches the basketball game in the living room. On the deck, our cousins out here fighting over who is the master of the grill. They finna hurt themselves. Now let's head upstairs to check on the kids. We get to the top of the stairs and our little cousins is playing GTA on a PS5 in the loft space. This is the laundry room. Auntie got everything in jars with labels. She fancy, y'all. Oh, okay. So this is Auntie's room. We not even supposed to be in here, so don't say nothing. But look at how big this room is. And this bathroom. Y'all, Auntie got a tub and a shower, and they not together. I told y'all she rich. Look at this closet. This is rich people closet. I love coming to my rich auntie house. Come on, water closet. Alright, let me show y'all my little cousin's room. They have their own bathroom because, like I said, rich. The twins' rooms are so cute. Layla got Encanto, and her twin brother Leo got Paw Patrol. Their big brother Lawrence is a huge Kobe fan, so you know what his room looking like. Let me take y'all upstairs. This is where the teens hang out. They have their own full bathroom up here. And auntie got it decked out as a movie theater. Alright y'all, food ready. I gotta go eat. Bye.